All right, I'm going to show you how you might do the first chunk of our argumentative paragraph. We have our article, the battle over the paddle, which we're using to do an argumentative paragraph. Our question is corporal punishment in schools an effective disciplinary tool or a form of abuse? By Patricia Smith. If we go into our Word document, this is our format for the argumentative, which you should pull up. Remember, it's a 10 to 11 sentences with 2 chunks, a counterclaim and a rebuttal. So I've just typed up the first part here just to kind of help you get started with your first chunk. So I have my topic sentence: students should not be paddled at school as a form of discipline. And then my first reason: first, studies show paddling is done unequally and that students of color and those with disabilities get more paddling. Then I have my quote with my citation. In the article, The Battle Over the Paddle, it states boys are more likely than girls to be paddled and black students are more likely than white students to be paddled. If bias is going to be used in who gets spanked with a paddle and who doesn't, then it shouldn't be done. It might be used by a principal who's racist or is frustrated with a student who has disabilities, which is unfair. So remember, this is called a chunk. It has my first reason, it has my evidence, also called my CD, and then it has my analysis, which is my commentary. Remember, your analysis is your personal opinion without using I. And then I would transition into my next reason. Okay, so my next reason. Next, a paddle on a child can be considered a form of physical abuse. And then I would go into my reasons. And remember, then you have to have a counterclaim. So some believe that it's okay to paddle students as a form of discipline at school, and then however explain why you disagree. So again, 10 to 11 sentences, very similar to what we did a couple weeks ago in our other argumentative paragraph, and then copy and paste into all one flowing paragraph with transitions.